Hey everybody, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word ascribe. We're going to talk about what it means. We're going to practice pronouncing the word, and we're going to read some example sentences so you can better understand the meaning. Be sure to click the subscribe button, like this video, and in the comments section, I want you to write a sentence that includes the word ascribe. So let's get started. The word for this video is ascribe. I'm going to repeat that 2 more times. Ascribe. Ascribe. Ascribe is a verb and it means to closely associate or connect someone or something. Let me repeat that 1 more time. Ascribe is a verb that means to closely associate or connect someone or something. So that we can better understand what ascribe means, let's look at our example sentences. Just as a reminder, a verb is a word that expresses action or state of being. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 different variations of the meaning of ascribe, and we have a sentence for each variation. The first is describing a reason or cause. So let's read the example sentence. I ascribed my son's bad behavior to the pain he feels. I ascribed my son's bad behavior to the pain he feels. So you connect the bad behavior in this situation to the reason or the cause, which is the pain that he feels. The second variation is associating a work with a person. Associating a work with a person. That famous quote is ascribed to Thomas Jefferson. That famous quote is ascribed to Thomas Jefferson. So we're connecting or associating a work, which can be art, it can be a book, it can be a quote, it can be anything like that, and we're connecting it with a person, and in this case, to Thomas Jefferson. And the third variation is indicating a quality that belongs to a person. Let's check our example sentence. Perseverance is a characteristic ascribed to business owners. Perseverance is a characteristic ascribed to business owners. So in this case, we're taking perseverance, it's a quality or a characteristic, and we are connecting it with business owners because business owners have to persevere in order to get their business up and running and to run that business. I'm going to repeat the word 3 times, and right now you can see the word on the screen, so let's listen first. Ascribe. Ascribe. And 1 more time, listen. Ascribe. I'm going to take the word away now. I want you to practice pronouncing the word without being able to see the word. Ascribe. Good job, everybody. 2 more times. Ascribe. Ascribe. And again, if you want to practice pronouncing that part of the video again, go and click the link down below in the comments section that's related to pronunciation. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I'm excited that I get to practice English with you. Make sure you click subscribe, like the video, and in the comment section below, write a sentence that uses the word ascribe. I'll check out your work in the comment section. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.